Hey, how's it going, everybody? Thanks for checking out another one of our videos. Cook & Sons Carpentry here. So we're in this house in Bloomfield. We just doing a basement remodel, done with the drywall, and then we're gonna start doing trim here in a little bit. But then the homeowners, again, this job keeps growing, threw another loop, threw us for another loop. It's another curveball, whatever you want to say. Now they want us to, drywall's done, primed and painted, or primed, not painted. And they said, hey, tear out half of these cabinets and then just redo the drywall and refinish the cabinets, and also tear out the floors. We want you to do floor new tile now too. So going backwards to go forwards, tearing out half a cabinet, and then now I got a bunch of drywall work to do. Got to fix that corner, and yeah, life is good. All right, it's the end of the day. Let me show you what I got done. Demoed out all the tile in this kitchen bar area, and demoed out some of the tile in the laundry room. And got those cabinets tore out, taped. I used fast setting drywall mud, you know, mix it yourself, the powder stuff, 90-minute, and taped everything that needed to be taped, redid the corners and all that, so that's all fixed. And let that dry, and then I just went through and did a half a bucket in 90-minute, and basically did like a second coat, cover everything to get that kind of caught up. And then so the cabinets, got the cabinets torn apart and kind of back together. I feel like I have to say this because of the YouTube trolls. I'm working with what we got, and it's not completely done. Everything will be prettied up and all that good stuff, make everything look all nice. It's just getting things, trying to make some progress and get things going in the right direction and stop going backwards. Okay, so I'll show you how I did that. So it had a shelf, see that shelf there? That went all the way through here. So then I measured this style on the cabinet right here. I'm gonna try to look at this on the phone. Where's my hand? Woohoo, come on, where's my hand? All right, measure this style and match that one up there, and then straight line cut it. And then the shelf and everything that's in there, I measured the thickness of this, which is almost 3/4, and set the shelf back into the style 3/4 so that I could get that side wall of the cabinet in there the right way. And everything's nailed. These are going to get repainted again and bondoed, and you can see that style's, you know, it's not cut very well. I'll plane that properly. And same thing with this one, just same thing with the style, made the style the right size, and then set these shelves back the 3/4, and not 3/4 actually. I did these about a 1/2 inch, and then I actually mortised this sidewall for the cabinet. I mortised, which basically means I made like a groove in it like this, so that it'll like catch the shelf, so you can kind of see it. And then I glued everything, which this is, you know, the way it's like glued up and stuff isn't like super pretty or the best, but it's the way this, like, I'm fixing something that was already there, so I'm trying to do the best I can. So, and it's still nailed, everything's still nailed. I just felt like glue would help. So there's glue actually in the joint, and then I pressed everything in and then nailed it all here, and I got it set, and then mudded this area, so that'll be good. And then you know, we'll do more mudding and stuff. But that's where we're at, Cook & Sons Carpentry. If you like our videos, like and subscribe, share. Thanks for watching. See you next time.